Lifeboats ahoy! Welcome to the third port of call, Green Fields Forever, the next stop in this special charter Sea Star cruise. Green Fields Forever almost reminds you of some wonderland that Dorothy visits in the Land of Oz. As much as we'd love to escape to such a wonderful place, we have to remind ourselves of the lessons Dorothy learned. And so, as usual, we have both the philosophical and the practical avenues to consider. The problem is our own sucks to be in Kansas mindset. It's too easy to just look at everyone else and see the pathetic trio she met in her dream voyage: Tin Man, Scarecrow, and Cowardly Lion. Or to look at our financial system and recognize the farce represented by the Wizard and all the little munchkins. Of course, we all have our own version of who the Wicked Witch of the West is. And wouldn't we just love to have such a beautiful good witch who gave Dorothy her magic shoes on our side? But would we listen to what she said if she asked us to look in the mirror? That's what we challenge you to do in Verde Valley Vision's Green Ink's introductory brochure, and the longer but necessary brochure entitled Ounce of Prevention. They are recruiting posters for those who have had enough of the pickle jar mentality produced by the hybrid capitalist socialist yin-yang scenario of old cloth American political, economic, and educational strategies. From there, we go to the practical. Herein lies a survey of the other half of the occupations which propel us around the circle. The Right Fit you visited allowed us to see the educational and helps occupations which deal with the second great commandment: do unto others as you would have done unto you. These occupations help people restore their contact with health and reality. The left foot of the Sea Star's PowerPoint's motto is the first great commandment: honor the Creator with all your might, as in physical and mental abilities. To do that, one needs to understand the system he established, the intelligent design of what some refer to as holistic health, which involves relating to the environmental processes of food production, water harvesting, and renewable energy resources. No, we're not the first ones on the block to tout these concepts. Many environmental and health-conscious organizations have done well in this regard, at least for those who own the enterprise. Their main problems are twofold. They generally fail to honor the Creator and give logic to some process called evolution, which touts a survival of the fittest mantra, which probably explains why following their advice isn't affordable for the masses who need it the most. We call our project GREEN, an acronym for Golden Rule Environmental Entrepreneurs Network. This enterprise covers the gambit of reconciling nature and people to each other and to their Creator. If you're looking for unique environmental and economically sustainable activities, whether you're a homeowner trying to filter out the contractor's hype or someone needing a new vocation, you're in for some sci-fi adventures made real. From homesteading in Rue Urbania to the hydrogen revolution and your own stealth bomber discussed in Arizona Airs ×2, you'll find that you don't have to go into space or explore the depths of the ocean to find a new frontier just waiting for you. In Dr. Worm and the Chicken and the Egg, you'll find something for everyone who's willing to break from the conventional mold. The most important paradigm changer we offer to the young or more mature, with or without experience yet eager to learn, is the discovery of what the only worthy vocation truly is, and how the Creator Himself has intervened for you, enabling you to achieve this lofty goal. It may be then that you'll realize how important it is for you to sign your own Emancipation Proclamation. When you discover what it is, I'll just go ahead and tell you. It's being a business owner. Be careful now. You're thinking of the perverted definition that capitalists and socialists have used to keep this lofty goal out of the hands of those who need it the most. How? By distorting its purpose to benefit those deemed the fittest by the fact that they scratched and clawed their way to the top. If you want out of that rat race, then this port allows you to see what avenues business persons who heed Yahweh's advice can take, and the principles that will enable all who follow them to achieve the success due to their gifting. Looking ahead, the next port will explore the various opportunities to capitalize these greenfield ventures with a very unique twist. However, you'll have to wait for the 5th port of call to discover which green adventure you should be involved in. You'll find that everybody has a maximized potential and needs to tend to the business that suits their personality best. I wouldn't blame you if you wanted to jump ahead. But that unique twist I mentioned, it may take the wind out of the sails of any investment or wealth-building strategy you've considered before. So patience does have its virtue. There really is a place and season for everything. Right now, the green fields are beckoning. Ready to paddle ashore? The lifeboats are just your size.